Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss any of my weekly guides, tricks, and quick tips. Today, I'll walk you through a simple method to unlock your Renault car radio code with Radio++ app. Works perfectly on both iOS and Android. Let's dive in. First of all, you need the current version of the Radio++ app. To get it, I opened Chrome on my phone and went to the site that hosts the app. Search for Radio++ and select it once it appears. The site loaded quickly, looked clean, and didn't throw any annoying pop-ups at me. Once you're on the tool page, look for the Start button. Tap it, and the tool will begin installation. This only takes a few seconds, so just hold tight while it connects everything. Sometimes you'll need to complete a quick human verification. Don't worry, it's very simple. If you're unsure, the sites offer a short guide or video tutorial to help you. I've already done this before, so let's move on to the next step. Now open the Radio++ app. Enter VIN or serial number and press Proceed. After a moment, you'll receive a code ready to be entered into your radio. I tested this myself earlier, and it worked without any issues. And that's all there is to it. Fast, simple, and effective. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe with the bell so you never miss the next tutorial. Got stuck somewhere? Leave a comment below. I check them often and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next video.